Highway 97 is the deadliest highway in Washington State. My sister was killed on Highway 97. She was waiting at a red light. Actually, at this intersection, I lost my best friend in high school. My name's Holliana Littlebull. I've worked my whole entire life in public safety. I'm a former police officer, firefighter, medic. I've just lost a lot of good people. And so trying to reduce those fatalities, trying to reduce crashes, trying to reduce pedestrian incidences is extremely personal. I formerly worked for the Yakama Nation as the traffic safety coordinator, and at that time we were having a really hard time getting complete data on crashes, fatalities, serious injuries. Most Eastern Washingtonians will tell you we feel forgotten, but to have UW come to us and say, hey, we want to work with you, we want to do this, we were right here. Making the road safer, that's something that we can work on together as a team.
In that particular intersection, Highway 97,
we wonder why this intersection is so dangerous. We started to work with Yakama Nation, and we just want to deploy some technology to see how we could help gather some data.
Scary.
Yeah.
This is the so-called mobile unit for sensing traffic. In short, we call it master sensor.
We basically turn images and video into message like the road surface is dangerous. It has snow, and also we detect a huge truck. We have a camera you can see here, environmental sensors, here's this white box, and also we have just antennas for communication. We also have computing units within this device. We install at the side of the intersection, basically collecting any data related to traffic safety, and with the purpose to improve traffic safety.
Car, truck, bus, pedestrian, bicyclist. We could also detect road surface condition.
That information can be sent out in real time to message board, as well as to the vehicles directly, or to the traffic agency, Yakama Nation.
We were able to see a better picture of what we already knew what was happening, which is the roads can get extremely icy really fast. People speed through here, and you have T-bone crashes, pedestrian versus motor vehicle crashes. We were able to map it and see where they were happening and where the clusters, and then be able to look at that data and then go, okay, was this a driver, or was it something to do with the engineering or the roads or all of the above? The first roundabout that we completed at McDonald and Highway 97, that used to be the deadliest intersection. It is now the safest intersection on the reservation. You know, now we have a prime example to show about a good example of research with tribes. And so that's a huge step.
Yeah.
We want to make this a smart corridor. We want to install more sensors so that we can tell people what's really happening on the roads.